bumili ako kay Kuya Ray ng art. Ito ang aking nabili.
Ito nga
Pakibili muna.
Akala mo pa.
Ayan ang ating artist.
Hello.
Ano, Kuya?
Thank you for buying my art. Thank you for supporting the local artists.
The local artist. Tingnan nyo naman guys, ang gaganda. Talaga naman. Siyempre, love your own.
Bahay.
Saan ang address mo, Kuya? Saan makakabili?
So, for now, you can contact me by online. You just go to reynaldopablo.ca. Then, you can contact me with that.
May art class ka?
Yeah, previously I have a art gallery, but recently this May 31 I already closed because of busy in work.
Oh, okay. Ayan po, kung gusto nyo ng mga art
6 years old po siya dyan.
pieces,
Then,
ayan
pan na siya
kay
ngayon.
Kuya Ray